Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22, and I'll show you the face unlock test of this device. So as can you see, I just set up the face recognition a couple of minutes ago on our device, and now I can unlock the device with my face. And now I'll just show you a couple of tries to unlock the device with the face, and we will see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works really fast here, and I'm just hitting into the glasses. So I'll just try to unlock device without glasses, and as can you see, the face doesn't match here. So okay, now it's work. Because when I just set it up, my face just recognition here, I just wear the glasses. So, and as can you see, I just can unlock the device with glasses and without the glasses, and the face unlock works normally good. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method if you don't like, for example, the some methods like the pin codes, passcodes. So you can try the face unlock, but don't forget that the face unlock feature and face unlock just method is less secure than the passcode or pin code or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you